The month of February is of romance and love. Couples rejoice and reclaim their love for each other. So, today I'm going to share a recipe that will definitely make your night more romantic. Let's begin with the recipe. Firstly, we need to make the patty. You can buy the patty dough from the supermarket, but I'm making it today myself. I'm adding here 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Into it, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well. With this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Lime juice will make your puff more fluffy, so do add it. And now I'm measuring 100 grams of butter. I have used here salted butter. You can add unsalted butter too. So I have taken here 100 grams of salted butter, and I will take 25 grams of butter from that. From measuring the 100 grams, I have taken 25 grams out of that, and I'm going to mix it with the dough properly and knead it with chilled water. I have used here around about half a cup of water, but add water gradually, and we need a soft dough. So mix chilled water we need here. Okay, remember that we need chilled water, and mix it well. And after kneading it into a dough, I'm going to rest it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, now my dough is quite soft. Now I'm going to knead it again well. Remember, you need to knead it again and again to get a very fluffy patty. This is the main ingredients. You have to add chilled water and knead it well. And now I will apply some maida on the surface where I'm going to roll it, and I will roll it in rectangular shape. Remember to roll it in a rectangular shape with the help of a spatula or a knife. Just keep on making it as much as possible in a rectangular shape. After rolling it in a rectangular shape, I will add the rest of the butter, that was 75 grams of butter, in the center of the chapati. So after that, I'm folding it from both the sides. And remember, your butter should be in room temperature. It should not be very hard, but it should also not be very soft. Then again, I'm going to roll it and carefully roll it so that your butter doesn't come out. So take it soft butter, but not the melted one or the hard one. And now I'm going to place it in the freezer for about 20 minutes. In a clean frame wrap, I have wrapped it and put it in the freezer. After 20 minutes, again, I will take it out. And the same way now, it's blindfold. I will just apply some maida and roll it again. Be very careful because you have added butter. Don't give much pressure to it. Now, I will just fold it the way I'm folding. Just fold it and again rest it in the freezer for about 20 minutes. And now repeat this process at least 4 to 5 times to get a beautiful layer puff or patty. Again, in the same way, I'm rolling it and then again I'm folding it blindfold. That is called, because once you will add the butter in the center, rest of the time you will not add any butter. You will just roll it and fold it. So see the way I'm folding. I have done 3 times, but you have to do 4 to 5 times. So let us go for the second step. This is, I'll take a boneless breast piece and I will wash it, and I will slice it in long strips, around about half inch of long strips like this. After cutting it, then I'm going to add some salt, pepper and garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can add garlic paste too. And I will rest it for 20 minutes. My lovely viewers, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, press the bell icon, like, and don't forget to share with your friends. And mix the chicken well and set aside for 20 minutes. Now on to the final recipe. I have taken out my patty dough. I'll divide it into half and I will roll it again. Not very thin, but half an inch thickness. And now I will cut into long strips. Because as we have cut our chicken into long strips, so the same way I'm going to cut my patty dough. And now the final step, I'm going to take the chicken strips and one French beans, long French beans I'm taking, and I will just wrap my beans with the chicken. See the way I'm doing, and I will take one strip of patty and roll it with that too. This is a twist, green bean chicken twist. So this is the interesting recipe, isn't it? The only thing is that you have to make the patty, and you can store this patty for about 3 months in the freezer. So whenever you want to make patty, just take it out, and you can make chicken patty, you can make aloo patty, masala patty, anything. And while making the patty, remember 2 things. You just need cold water to make the dough, and you have to do as much fold as possible to get very different types of layers. Beautiful layers will come out. So normally 4 to 5 folds you have to give in the patty. And now I will take a baking dish, and into it I'm going to brush some oil or drizzle some oil into the chicken pieces or patty, and I have taken 1 egg, and I'm going to brush over the patty like this, and I will put it in the oven for 20 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. After this, beautiful color has come out, and your chicken green bean twist is ready to serve. Enjoy and let me know in the comment section. Bye bye, take care.